In this video, we are going to learn how you can see friends' activity over on Spotify. So, do kindly watch the video till the end. I'm having my Spotify right here, and once you are on Spotify, all you need to do, you have to hit the gear icon in the top right corner, and you will be able to access the settings. Now click on your profile, and in the profile you can see after edit there are three vertical dots. So just click on these vertical dots and you will be able to find your friends. And these all are basically my Facebook friends because I log into my Spotify with the Facebook. And if I move to any of the guy from here, you can see I can easily see his playlist, and most probably he used to listen them. And so this is the activity of this guy. And if I move back to another one, let's say, alright, so let's jump to another one. So let's say this guy, and you can see he has only one playlist. Let's move to another one, and this guy don't have any activities, so I can't see his activity. Let's go back and move to another, and I can see his place. So this is basically how you can see your friends activity is over on Spotify. Is so all for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned something new. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.